Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in from, let's see here, Grizzle Bear Leather Crafting. Talked to him about him doing something for me, perhaps for a new slip joint, I don't know. So today I'm opening it up with my Urban EDC Barley. An amazing slip joint and a fantastic, unbelievable present from a channel subscriber. Go check out Tyler Williams. If you haven't checked out his channel, definitely a channel worth checking out. He is an awesome guy, but he also has great shorts. Highly recommend. Actually, very, very soothing. If you're having a rough day, check out his shorts. They're really cool. All right, here we go. All right, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, we'll have to see. I said, hey, if you want to throw some extra things in there, maybe for giveaways. Well, we got some more stickers. Here we got a leather slip. Oh, are these wallets? Wow. Ooh. Okay. Let's see here. I think my slips are in here somewhere. I'm sure they are. They're probably at the very bottom. Let's see here what else. Make sure I'm not missing anything because I got lots of good stuff in here. We'll save those peanuts because it's always great for shipping. And I bet they're in here. So I'm going to have to ask them about that. So I'm assuming these are for giveaways. So this looks like a wallet of some sort, like a credit card. You know, you can have two folds there. This looks like a nice little business card holder. Man, that'd be nice. I actually wouldn't mind a business card holder. I think that'd be super cool. This looks like also maybe a little business card holder. I don't know. Do I have any business cards out here anywhere? No, I don't. I have to find one. Another cool little case there. Wow. Very cool. I'll have to ask about these because these are definitely cool looking. And I'm going to assume this is like a little, I don't know, like a little tactical knife holder, maybe, you know, could be, you know, ammo, whatever. But that's cool. There's a couple of those. All right, so this is the one, and more stickers. Now, I already have some of these stickers, but we're going to put these in the giveaways. I like the stickers, by the way. This is a cool little one. So we'll save those for over here. Appreciate all the channels sending them. Here we are. Here we are. Okay, all right, let's save the paper. So I was thinking for something like this, it would be, I'd probably go in like this for this one. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice. And we have a little bit of a pinch here where we can open it up and pull it out. All right, now it's a good thick leather, so it's going to be a little hard to get in and out at the beginning. We'll have to break that in, soften that up nicely. That's cool. All right, so there we go. All right, so then the other one was for my Medford Gentleman Jack. And I really wanted a slip for that one. It needs to be a little bit wider. Let's see. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. We are going to do it. Now, this is nice, thick leather hide. So this is going to take a while to break in. It's definitely not the thin stuff, which is cool. So there we go. And then we can reach in there and pull that out. So that's nice. Yeah, definitely very cool. All right, very cool, very cool. I like that. So there we go. So there's some nice leather slips right there. I do like that, nice and thick, nice and bulky, which is what I like to have in my pocket. So there we go. That should go in and out very nicely, and after a while, develop a nice little shape and conform to it, I think, really well. This one I'm going to start carrying right away for sure. So, because this is the one I've been wanting to carry, but I wanted a slip for this guy. I mean, a leather slip for that one too. So, as you know, this is a Barley. Now, if you're not familiar with this one, it has got a finger choil. Works really great. And so if you accidentally start to break, you know, because slip joints don't lock, if it breaks, you can at least grab it and hold it there so you're not going to hurt yourself. And that's what I like. It's nice and thin. Reminds me a lot of the Bayer from Tactile Knife Company. But I like this. I like this a lot. Oh, yeah, that nice leather. That's cool. All right, so these look like, you know, maybe you could put like a, I'm going to assume, and I don't know, maybe a little knife in there, maybe a fixed blade, I don't know, maybe some cards or something. I think that would be cool. And these are going to be wallets, I'm assuming, maybe credit cards or different types of wallets. And then this is a wallet as well with a different, with nice suede. I like that. That's cool. All right. And then this one over here. So I don't know if they're all giveaways or one of them he wants me to keep, or if I should be giving them all away, or or if he wants them back or something. I don't know. But definitely get a chance to check out some of his stuff right here. I think this is definitely cool. Now I've got a little a little nip right here, and I think this would go well in one of these little guys, right, like that, right? And we have this right there. So there you go. That's the stuff that I got right there for you. And this is from Grizzle Bear Leather Crafting. So I'll have a link for him down below, probably his Instagram. And I think he's got a channel too, a YouTube channel, so I'll have that as well. We'll definitely include that down here. So I'll ask him about this and what these are over here. I'm assuming this is like a wallet, because it looks like you would have maybe cards, license or something in here. Same with this, because this one looks like, this would be more my wallet kind of. I like this kind of here with the 2 bifold. This would be great, I think, for business cards. You know what? I might have a business card. These are the ones I printed for Blade Show. Do I still have one on me? I have one left. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to assume that this is something, this would be great to take to a Blade Show, right? So you could take this. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, perfect. You can go in there and you can just pull one out and say, hey, there you go. Hey, check out Rob's Nerdy Knives, So there you go. That would be kind of cool to have, especially when I was walking around at Blade Show and handing out cards and kazoos and stuff like that. That's kind of cool. But you can also do credit cards and stuff, I'm sure, and licenses and stuff. Let's see, how about these other guys? So yeah, definitely fits there. Could definitely put some in here. What about this one? That one, yep, for sure. Now this is a sturdier leather. This is a much harder hide. I like it though. I like it. This is kind of like a real working kind of type of leather. I like that. So then you have over here. Now I like this. Oh yeah. Well, that smells like top grain leather. Wow. Okay, that's nice. Will it go in here? Now, a little too wide for that one. These cards are a little wide, so I'm thinking I'm gonna grab a card like my AAA card real quick, just on the back side here. So I'm gonna show personal information. Let's see here. Yeah, that fits in there. It's a little snug, but it does fit in there. Let me see. Does it fit in the front? Yeah, it fits in the front too. There we go. So you can see, you can get that in there. Very cool. All right. Some very cool leather, different leather products that he has here. Now, this to me, it looks like a pew pew kind of holder, or maybe an ammo for a pew pew, right? So that's what first thing I think of, because this is kind of canted. You would have it in here like that, I'm assuming, unless there's some other thing that you would do with that. So I'm not sure. If you guys know and I'm just a dummy, let me know, because I probably am just a dummy. Because this is what I ordered, and this is what I paid for it. But he gave me a great deal, because he wanted to share some of his work and get a chance for me to do an unboxing and try it out. So I thought this would look really nice, black with there. I like that. Really nice thick leather. I do like that a lot. That's going to break in nicely. Once you get some of the oils, your patina from your skin and everything like that, it's going to break in really, really nice. I like that. So that'll be cool. That'll be cool. And this one is the one I'm going to be carrying right away, obviously. It's nice, light brown leather. I do dig that a lot. So that to me is, that's a immediate carry right there. So yeah, I'm going to put that off to the side because I'm going to carry that right away. But I do dig this one here too. This one I do need to break in a little bit so I can get in and out a little bit easier, because it's a thick knife, right? It's definitely a thick knife. So we gotta break in this leather a little bit here. Maybe I have some leather conditioner. I'll have to ask him if he's okay with that. If this is gonna mess anything up, but I do have a leather conditioner that softens leather up. I'm wondering if that would be okay to put on, at least on the top here, so I can get a little flap going. Makes it a little easier to get in, because this is hardy leather. This is really hardy leather. It's strong, and it's definitely gonna hold that in place. So very, very cool. I dig that. I dig that a lot. All right, let me move that off to the side. All right, so this is just a basic unboxing, getting a chance to check it out. Pretty excited about this. Maybe we'll talk about this tonight on the live stream. Depending on when you see this, it might be a week later. So, but because I have a lot of content backed up. So anyways, I haven't gotten it all published or released yet. I have a lot of recorded content, but not enough time to produce it unless I start dropping 2 videos a day. But I don't want to go crazy, because then I fall behind, right? So hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, who likes the videos, who enjoys the content. I sure appreciate you. Yeah, especially if you're on the live stream, just part of the channel, man, thank you. Thank you. And if you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button down below so you can be notified notified of future content. By the way, I heard this the other day and I totally agree. I don't try to tell you up front, hey, hit that like, subscribe button. I mean, I'd love for you to do it as soon as you watch the content because you go, man, this stuff is good. I'm going to keep watching this. But I do it at the end because I hope after it's all said and done, maybe you go, yeah, this is content I wouldn't mind watching again. And maybe now I'll like and subscribe because I've actually watched it and I enjoyed it. So that's why I do mine at the end, just so you know. Also, to all my channel members, a big, huge thank you to you guys out there. I sure do appreciate you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. You have no idea. You guys allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I would in this channel, honestly. Sometimes I expected things to happen way, way down the road, but thanks to you guys, you allow me to try to see, experience new things as the channel grows. I mean, I get to try stuff like this and possibly be giveaways. I want to confirm before I commit because this is, you know, I didn't know he was sending me extra stuff and I don't recall having that conversation. So I want to make sure, but it's very cool. I'm hoping it's giveaways because this is really cool stuff. I think it would be really super awesome, but I don't want to pin him into a corner. When you start a business, you know, that's, you know, cost you a little bit, right? So I don't want to do that. I'm hoping this is stuff that he intended for like marketing purposes because we will market it up for sure. Start including some of this with some of the giveaways, right? All right, yeah. Thank you to channel members. Hey, as a small way for me to say thank you to channel members, I do two really nice things. Once I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. Try to make sure it's way better than a budget knife. Typically, yeah, it's not just a budget knife, which I like doing. I like doing budget knife giveaways for the weekly giveaways, but for the members, I want to make sure it's something a little exclusive and a little nicer, just to say thank you. Because you guys are so generous, I want to be generous back. So yeah, that's the first thing. The second thing is all brand new channel members, I want to send you a channel sticker and say thank you. So email me with your name and address if you're a brand new channel member. Or if you were a channel member before and became a channel member again and never asked and are a member currently, or if you've been a channel member all along and you've just never asked, but you're a member right now, all of you, email me. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker to say thank you. Yeah, so thank you. Really do appreciate every one of you guys who watch the videos, who are channel members, everybody out there. Thank you. You guys make this so much fun, so I really do appreciate you guys. And finally, hey, if you haven't checked me out already, check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.